What is science? Introduction. It is amazing to think of the facilities we have today: gadgets, space shuttles, robotics, medicines, etc., which are the result of ideas which originated in some human brain. They are all the people who thought differently to observe and understand the nature in a specific way. Science. Science is the concerted human effort to understand the history of natural world and how it works, with observations as well as experiments. Science is an organized study of knowledge which is based on both experimentation and observation. The word science comes from the Latin word scientia, meaning knowledge. An astrophysicist observing the planets and celestial bodies is observation science, whereas a chemist mixing chemicals and observing is experimentation science. Question is the fundamental step in science. If Einstein wouldn't have never questioned why the apple fell, he wouldn't have discovered gravity. Why do science? The individual perspective. What are people actually doing in science? Scientists collect information to test new ideas or to disapprove old ones. They become famous for discovering new things that change how we think about it. A new discovery can lead to years of research in that field or can even help the mankind. The societal perspective. We should certainly wonder, why must a nation or an organization have any interest in science or fund individuals for their research? The only reason is that a new invention of discovery would improve people's life. Not only this, but the company also gains a huge profit by doing this. How scientists work. Scientific method. How do the scientists conduct a specific experiment and draw results? Can we do them too? They use some organized ways for the experiments they conduct, which are commonly termed as scientific method. When we follow the basic idea of the steps, we can conduct our own experiments too. The steps are listed below. Observe and question. We first have to observe things, and then when we have a good question to ask, we can proceed with the experiment. Our question is the basis and the reason for our experiment. Forming an hypothesis. When we have a question, we also have some possible expectations out of the experiments, which is known as hypothesis. We will have to record our question and hypothesis before the experiment. Plan an experiment. You will have to decide how to conduct an experiment for the fair examination of your study. The experiment should be done under controlled situations with less factors affecting the experiment. Do the experiment. When you have a good plan of an experiment with you, you can proceed with doing the experiment. You will have to conduct the experiment. Also, record the observations of your experiment in a clear manner. Conclude. After organizing all your collected data, it's now time to analyze the data. You now have to conclude if the hypothesis you stated was true or no. If it happens to be true, you can carry on to further experiments on this subject. If the hypothesis is incorrect, you may have to design another experiment or have a different conclusion. Important tips to follow while conducting the experiment. Measurement. Your measurement has to be accurate. If you are weighing a chemical, a liquid, or measuring the temperature, etc., you need to be accurate in measuring this data both before and after the experiment. Interpreting data. You will have to collect and organize the collected data to do investigation. You may use charts, tables, or graphs to represent your data for better understanding. Safety measures. Safety is the most important aspect of science and experimentation. When handling chemicals, read the safety symbols on the containers. Don't drop anything on your working table. Always keep it neat and clean. Wear your safety gear like gloves and goggles. Some chemicals cannot be handled with bare hands. Some gases may irritate your eyes. When working with electricity, make sure you are wearing non-conductive footwear. Do not use broken plug points or improper devices. Take time to replace everything safely. Do not leave things as you like. Chemicals can be dangerous if not stored properly. Keep everything back in place after the experiment.
మా వీడియో గనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.